Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva and in today's video I will be attempting to do eyebrow lamination at home. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think I can handle it. Eyebrow lamination is a procedure that basically kind of relaxes the eyebrow hair and you can like comb it upwards, and this way you get like an instant eyebrow lift, eye lift. It makes your brows look fuller and bushier. And my eyebrows are very like sparse and messy. The hairs always tend to go down even when I use like eyebrow gel, and this makes me look like angry and sad, so I'm excited to like lift them up a little bit and get that very trendy look. I hate like having appointments and going to the salon, even though sometimes I would prefer to go at the professional first time and then just kind of like copy what they are doing at home. It's not like microblading where you actually really need to go to the professional. This seemed not that hard, so I decided to do it at home myself. I picked up this kit. It's called the Lash Lift Kit, and it is the same solution for the lash lift that they use on the eyebrows. I won't be attempting a lash lift at home because I'm nervous to not get this product in my eye. It kind of like freaks me out, but for my eyebrows I'm not like really concerned that something can go wrong. I hope it doesn't go wrong. This is very inexpensive. I saw a lot of people using this particular one and the results were great. So this is how the kit looks. You have false lash glue, perm, fixation, nutrition, and cleanser. You have the clean tool and the lift pads. The lift pads are for the eyelash lift. I won't be using those, I think. Like, I didn't even brush my eyebrows. I wanted to show you how they look like naturally, and I feel like this is exactly what I need for my eyebrows. I didn't trim them, I didn't plug them or anything. I wanted to like finish the treatment, the procedure first, and then see if I need to like trim them or plug them or anything else. First thing I will be doing is I will clean my makeup off. I'm using just a micellar water. Get my hair off my face so it's gonna be easier for you to see. So I will be using the cleanser that's in the kit as well to just remove any residue. The other step is use the false lashes glue. Basically this will help you put your eyebrows in place. It smells like really bad, like a glue for paper. My eyebrows are so unruly. They just always go down. Like even with the glue doesn't like help them stick up. I don't even know. I think I need like a super glue or something. When I saw tutorials, people were doing it. Like their eyebrows were staying up with the glue. Now it's time for the perm solution. You'll be applying this with a brush, but you can always use a Q-tip. I just want to be like professional. Smells bad. It smells like exactly like perm. I don't know if you know how perm smells. It's exactly like this. I remember my mom used to get her hair permed back in the day, and that's how it smelled at the salon. I got some hair that got glued on my forehead. Along with this treatment, they do eyebrow tinting most of the time, so I might tint my eyebrows with just a regular hair dye, depending how it looks. Just need to put plastic on right now. and leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, so our time is up, and we will just remove this plastic wrap. I will just remove the residue. I hope it turns out good. I'm just combing them upwards again and removing any excess of the perm. Let's move on to the other step, which is fixation, and it is this other tiny solution. And I will just use the brush again. I wipe the brush off the perm so it's kind of like clean, and just apply this on. That is crazy. I hope I don't mess up anything. I'll use the spoolie to just like brush them up. That makes me even look more angry. I'm like, wow, what is that the way it's supposed to look? Same thing with the plastic. The fixation solution doesn't smell like anything, which is good. I don't know, it looks crazy, but definitely like makes my eyebrows look way bushier and way like thicker. Another 10 minutes are up. This solution didn't really smell bad or anything, so that's good. Wow, like that's a little bit crazy look. It's funny. Clean them off a little bit. I did lose like few hairs, but I feel like that was when I was using the glue, because I was kind of rough and the glue started working and gluing my hairs, and I was like pulling up, so that is how I lost a little bit of hairs. But rather than that, it's good I didn't lose my eyebrows. I'll just like remove any solution. Now it says to keep using the cleanser to remove any residue and then keep combing with the white brush. The cleanser doesn't smell like anything, so, but it is kind of foamy. I feel like this comb is very like fine and dense, and it's pulling my hairs out, so I'll keep using my spoolie. They're soft and movable hair dye, and I feel like right now I will just trim whatever I feel like needs to be trimmed and removed. Because I don't really like them, like all the solutions out, but I decided to tint my eyebrows just to like do the complete look. So I'm just like going to tint them, and I'm using a hair dye. That's how I've done it before too. And I normally don't leave the hair dye as long as I leave it on my hair, just like way less. For my own liking, I like to like brush them up and then kind of to the side, because I feel like it suits my face much better. But rather than that, they do look nice. I feel like the product didn't work at certain parts, and maybe it's me that I wasn't that careful. Like right here I have a part that is not like really cooperating, and right here as well. It was a good experience, wasn't hard to do. I still have a lot of product left, so this is probably good for like many uses. There is another solution in here. It's nutrition. I will use this at night when I remove any makeup and stuff. So this is how they look. It's a little bit to like fill in any sparse areas, and I will be right back. I will be using this e.l.f. brow pencil. Okay, now it's time to explain what happened. After the first treatment, I saw a result. It was very slight difference, and I wasn't really completely happy with it. I saw pictures online and pictures on Instagram that people have like a dramatic difference in their eyebrows, a dramatic change. I saw videos and YouTube tutorials, and they were like really dramatic. With me, it didn't work out that good. I had parts that were still like facing down, that could not stay up. I used brow gel, I tried to fill them in, it wasn't working. So yesterday I decided to give it a second try, and I did that at my own risk because I don't think it is a very smart idea to do it twice in 1 week. Because this is something like bleaching your hair. It is aggressive treatment, and I don't think it's recommended to do it twice in a week, but I took the risk. I felt like the first time didn't work, so I decided to do it again. I'm not advising you to follow my example, but I will explain you how to achieve better results at first place. So second time I did the whole process exactly the same. I stayed 8 minutes with both solutions. I didn't want to stay full 10 minutes. I was afraid I might lose my eyebrows. So right now, these are my eyebrows. I filled them in a little bit. Let me just zoom in. They are soft. I can move them. They're staying pretty up, and you can tell like the difference, how they're much fluffier than before. I had tiny eyebrows. They're like, you see, they're like, I can move them. If I don't want them up, I can move them. I didn't lose any hairs the second time, which is good. So what I did wrong the first time was the part with the glue. I did use a lot of glue. I piled it up and up and up, and it didn't like really work. It didn't stick up my eyebrows. Next time I used less glue, and I was like very precise and careful, like lifting each and every like strand of hair up. And don't be afraid to like really lift the hairs up. After the treatment, they won't be like really stuck upwards. You can move them, they are soft and manageable, but the point is to lift them up with the glue and do the treatment this way, so it kind of like, this is what's gonna give you this eyebrow lift effect. Afterwards, you can like brush them to the side if you don't like this look, the like straight up brow look. One thing that you might experience and notice after the treatment is that your brow hairs are lighter, and that is why most of the time they tint your eyebrows right away when you get them professionally done, because this treatment will kind of like lift up your natural eyebrow color and lighten it a little bit. I feel like people with thicker and bushier eyebrows will achieve best results. People with thinner eyebrows will still like have nice results. Like I'm an example that I still like got my eyebrows looking a little bit fuller and thicker, but I still have to fill them in, which is not a problem for me. After the second treatment, I am really happy with the result. I like the look. I like how fluffy and full my eyebrows look. I like how they lift my eye area, make me happier and like relaxed. So I will give this treatment 2 thumbs up. I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this experiment. As a disclaimer, I want to say that I am not a professional. I am not like a makeup expert or anything. I just enjoy doing those kind of things at home, and I wanted to give it a try. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!